Hi guys, today I'm going to make a chicken pastel. And guys, palabasin muna natin ang fats ng chicken. Then later, gagawin natin yung filling. Ayan guys, watch out. Next, saute natin ang onions and garlic. Ayan guys. Then add natin ang mushroom. Ayan guys, mushroom. Ayan. Ayan guys, ready na ang ating chicken for filling with carrots, mushroom, onions, and garlic. Ayan, chicken. Ready na yan for filling. Next step, nagpa-melt tayo ng butter. Now, add the flour. Ayan guys. And mix together. Ayan. Then add milk. Slowly. Ayan guys. Add milk. Ayan. And mix thoroughly. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Naka-ready na. Ang butter. Ito guys. May butter ng ating baking pan. Ayan guys. Magra-wrap na tayo. Guys, may tortillas tayo. Ayan. Okay? Ayan guys. See? Ayan. Lagay natin siya dito. Ayan. Okay? Ayan guys, ang ating ginagawa. Oh, ayan. Oh, see? Now, we're gonna put that and add yan guys. Oh. Ayan na guys, ready na to oven. Okay guys, see you there. Ito na guys, ang ating chicken pastillas. Ayan na guys, ang init-init pa. Fresh. Ayan guys, ang ating chicken pastillas. Ayan guys, ang init-init pa. Hindi pa natin pwedeng galawin yan. Ayan, umuusok-usok pa guys. Ayan. Mausok-usok pa. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like it and enjoy.